Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. We are going to be doing a first try unboxing of the Ipsy Glam Bag. They offer 3 different levels, I think. The first one is $12, the second one is $25, and I'm not quite sure what the third level is. It was completely out of my mental price range for subscription boxes at this point in time. So the difference between the $12 one and the $25 one is the size of the products you get. The $12 one is supposed to be mostly sample sizes, and the $25 one is supposed to be mostly full-size products. But I figured we'd give them a try at the $12 price range and see what they send us. So firstly, I pull out our little baggie, and this is really cute actually. They send you a bag every month, and I feel like they did a pretty good job on the quality of this bag. It's a pleather, but it feels like a nice pleather. And then also we have 2 sheet masks that were not inside the bag. And these are by Bubble Tea Bath & Body, and these look super fruity and delicious. The first thing in our box is this Low Tea London's Shimmer Squad. And this is just a sample size of a bronzer. And it is so small. Wow. Okay. I actually like this. So I don't know if you can see a difference. Maybe I should have grabbed my brush, but yeah, I could definitely see a glow right there. So this is a highlighter. Why did I think this was a bronzer? Ha! Powder highlighter. It's shiny, which is what a highlighter is supposed to be, but I'm not really feeling it, you know? Like, I definitely have highlighters I like more. I feel like this one just made me look shiny, like greasy shiny, not like... Ooh. And they gave us a little thing to tell us how much everything was worth. This deluxe size sample of Low Tea highlighter is worth $11. Our sheet masks were worth $8. Our next thing is the Tatcha the water cream. So this deluxe size sample is worth $68 for a teeny tiny little sample. So of course I'm gonna do the sniff test. It smells like water. Like if water had a scent, you know? It says pore perfecting Japanese wild rose. I guess the smell of water is wild rose. The next thing we have is by Scone Cosmetics, and it is a brow wand in peanut butter. And this is a brow pencil with a wand. So one side has our little wand, and then the other side has a seriously large brow pencil. And that has a retail value of $20. Makeup's expensive. The next item in our box is the Girlatic Precise Marker Liner, and this has a retail value of $20. And it looks like it has a very nice draw to it. So I will give this a try. I'm becoming very stocked up on eyeliners, which is good. You can never have enough eyeliner. It's the one I run out of the most. Of all my beauty products, for some reason, eyeliner goes the quickest. Our last item here is the Belle & Argent Lip Leisure Gloss in Jealous of Us. There's the pretty shiny packaging. So I like this color. It's definitely more of a coral. So this has a retail value of $22. So I'm really in love with this color. I love the way it looks on my face. It is just so ridiculously, I want to say pink, but it's not pink. It's like an orange. It's an orange, and I've never done corals before, and I've heard people with dark brown hair say they love corals, so I should have tried it a lot sooner, but this, it does look nice. So I will definitely put this one in my regular use pile because this is gorgeous. I love this. So this is Belle & Argent in the color Jealous of Us. So the total value of our Ipsy Glam Bag was $139. It's an incredible value for only $12 shipped. I'm actually surprised that we got as many full-size items as we did. I was expecting a lot more sample-sized products, but I'm not complaining. You guys, like, they can send me as much full-size items as they would like. This was my first one ever, so there is a chance, you know, that they curate the first one to be a little bit better to get you hooked. But hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully Ipsy is just an awesome subscription makeup box that we can keep getting over and over again and keep finding jewels like this lip gloss, because this is the perfect lip gloss, I have to say. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like and subscribe so I can see you again. Bye.